Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Registry Editor, select Computer, and export the full registry to a safe location. This is your undo file. Make sure to close all running apps and run the Registry Editor and Command Prompt as administrator so permissions don't block changes. You'll now run an initial scan with SFC and DISM, those repair core system files that often underlie registry errors, so don't skip them. You run sfc/scano to repair protected system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These commands correct files that lead to registry corruption. Once those finish, open Event Viewer and filter errors to identify the exact registry keys or application ID causing faults. Make sure to export the specific key before changing it, then carefully delete or edit only the problematic entries. If a key belongs to an app, also reinstall the app after editing, so its installer can rewrite correct registry values. You restart Windows and confirm the issue is resolved by reproducing the original error scenario. Check Event Viewer for new warnings. If problems continue, immediately restore the exported registry file or use the system restore point you made earlier. This returns Windows to the pre-change state. If restoration fails, perform an in-place repair install of Windows 11 using the Media Creation tool to preserve files while repairing system components. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific app triggers errors, uninstall it, clean residual registry entries, and reinstall fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.